It's lunch. It's lunch with Bubba.
Oldest restaurant on the river.
Uh-huh. I don't think he looks like that anymore.
He looks like Harry Truman, look.
But look, the ducks are out here. They're trying to eat a map. That's how hungry the ducks are. Look at that. Oh, there's a bunch
Either that or
of
he
them
needs
down
directions.
there. How do I get to the mall?
I hear they feed us at the mall.
Oh, isn't that riding the boat on the Riverwalk?
And look, he's got his cooler in the back, look. See it? With the wheels on it? Oh, look, he's got a monkey up there. Hello, I'm the monkey tour guide. Should we get a thing of queso?
Well, you know you're getting close to the Alamo when you start seeing snow cone stands. They're everywhere. And then you gotta walk across this hot-ass plaza.
Jungle hot.
Jungle hot.
Well, I bet
And
that's is that the church I was telling you about?
Yeah,
Look
yeah.
how old it is.
And then there it is. The Alamo. Back in 1836, Houston said to Travis, take some volunteers and go and defend the Alamo. The Alamo in 1836. And there it is. Right there, where Bubba's taking a picture. That's the Alamo, right there. How is it, Bubba? Is it a good picture?
Oh. You want to get a little closer?
Of course. Bubba has gone into the Hard Rock.
Sorry.
That's okay.
That logo on my shirt looks just like this.
Ah.
And look, Sammy Hagar.
Who just turned 70?
Are about to. Look at this.
Hank Williams and his Drifting Cowboy.
At the Grand Ole Opry.
Yeah, that's very cool.
Y'all checked out the opera when you were there, didn't you?
We did.
Look at this one of George Strait.
Look at the graffiti. Aerosmith graffiti. Did they take it off the wall? Artwork by Steven Tyler during groundbreaking ceremony.
Look, get it back. It's a dog. Here's his nose.
Yeah. Bow wow. Steven Tyler painted that. George Strait corner. Johnny Cage.
There's a real man.
Handwritten lyrics to the song Cowboy. Who's Chaps? I gotta find out who's Chaps. Here's Elvis. Gotta find out who's Chaps. Hold on. Well, here it is. One of his numerous concerts in Mason City occurred January 15, 1956. On display are a pair of his personal cowboy chaps. Those are Elvis's chaps. He looks very tiny. He must have been very, very tiny at one point. Stevie Ray Vaughan. There's Dimebag. Steven Tyler!
From pretty recently.
Yeah.
God, he looks just like Valerie in the face.
Love all, serve all. Rock Shop. Hard Rock
Look how
t-shirt.
soft it is.
Ooh, that's one of those soft.
Yeah. Hey, it's tax-free weekend on hats.
You finding something you like?
Well, this was $25.51. If this one's a little less and it's a better design, I might have to get this
I like
one.
the one with the Texas and the Alamo.
And the guitar.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna go with this one.
Oh, yeah. Of course, Dime's guitar. You got tax-free weekend, yeah.
This is sweet, free stuff. Are you still filming?
Yeah.
We decided not to go to Dick's Last Resort because they're all a bunch of dicks.
Yeah, and they won't tell you where the bathroom is.
You almost got to piss yourself and yell at them.
Colorful tables. Colorful. Colorful. Oh, and there in the car in front of us, Buc-ee's! I break for beavers!